the first Fireflies we have this year. Oh my gosh, that one is close. And, oh, did you see it? I love these Fireflies. I mean, it's just so almost magical. Okay, so I took the same video with my iPhone 14 and with my SLT A37 Sony Alpha at the night, because I was actually trying to film Fireflies, and this video shows just the difference of my Sony SLT camera and the iPhone 14. And I don't want to comment too much on that, but I was actually shocked how good the iPhone, or how good the iPhone video was in comparison to my Sony Alpha. So I'm not a photographer, so maybe the settings were wrong on my Sony Alpha. Let me know in the comments below if I did something wrong, but it's almost shocking how good the iPhone films at night.